Hello everyone, I am JCRP and you are watching Kalakar Makerspace videos. In today's video, we are going to change the spool in the Solidspace filaments. Just an introduction about Solidspace filaments. They manufacture from India and their filaments are absolutely good. And they came out with a very good solution for not wasting the spools. That is, they gave a spool which can be dismantled and then they started shipping spool-less filaments. Solidspace filaments ships spool-less filaments only in PLA, but soon they will expand. So today let's see how we can interchange them and start using the spool again. Empty spool can be converted into a brand new spool. Just make sure that you don't cut the zip ties before screwing the spool together, otherwise you will have entanglement issues. Other than that, it's a very simple, straightforward process, and I hope this video was useful. And subscribe to our channel to see more such tips and tricks and project videos. Hope to see you next time in another video. And do follow us on Instagram to see what we are working right now. Until next time, happy learning.